here's the home that you're interested in over at Forest Glen. And this whole front area is screened in as well, which is very nice because you can kind of open up the front door and the back sliders and get a nice cross draft. You have two closets. That one actually has an interesting flooring. I take that back. This actually has a bathroom off of it. It looks like it's a closet from first examination, but there's a shower in there as well. That's kind of where the tile came from. It looks like they made the closet a little bit smaller and added in that bath. One of the other neat features is that almost all of the rooms have pocket doors. This bedroom is the same. This one is a half bath off of this bedroom. Once again, pocket door. And then you have another full bath. A little bit smaller closet, but they're definitely utilizing the space quite well. And it appears that both of these showers back up to each other, but they are their own separate entity. Once again, another pocket door leading over to the laundry room. Good amount of storage. Nice finish on the floor. We do have the air conditioning in the ceiling in the garage, which is obviously the best place to have it. And it looks like it's a relatively new train, and the manual appears to be still stuck to the front, so it looks like it's a pretty new unit for you. You do have some additional roof tiles there as well. Chose to go with French doors on this room. Does not have a closet, but you could definitely put an armoire or a dresser and kind of make it kind of a mixed use room if you wanted it to be an office and a temporary bedroom as well. And that was the front door, kind of a neat accent wall. As far as the countertops, these are Corian, which are nice to try to keep clean because they don't have any edges here, so they are usually pretty easy to maintain. If you wanted to upgrade it to a quartz or a granite, you could definitely do that, but I think they have a beautiful backsplash they've paired with it, as well as I really do quite like the cabinet colors. I'm not sure if they're coming out exactly as they appear in person, but I think they're a nice tone. course, a nice sized pantry here as well. Kind of a kitchen table for less formal eating, and then of course you do have the bar stools here as well. A nice stone flooring finish. You have the spa. It's definitely a windy day today. And you do get some views of the golf course, but you do have quite a bit of privacy here as well. So it's a nice combination. It's not like I'm looking right out over a tee box or anything like that. Just to kind of give you a sense of the view from all angles. And that is an upgraded finish in the pool as well, rather than just having the typical white finish. Kind of a pebble finish that tends to last a little bit longer and has a nice color to it as well. Looks like you have storm protection there. And that is the primary suite, of course the living area. Plenty of natural light. Kind of an interesting looking light. And there are two walk-in closets. This is going to be the smaller of the two. I think this one's just a little bit deeper. As far as size, I think it's a nice size primary suite. As I mentioned, plenty of light, and of course having that private access out to lanai is a nice feature. All 8-foot doors. Ceilings appear to be around maybe 9.5 feet. Looks like a beautiful home.